OpenAI has recently released a new language model GPT-4. This is a huge step forward in the field of artificial intelligence. It has enhanced capabilities in math and paper summarization to its ability to understand meme and maintain a design persona. GPT-4 is truly a game changer. So in this video, we'll be discussing everything you need to know about GPT-4, its features, limitation, and how it compares to previous models. So stay tuned for an informative and exciting video. The first thing that stands out is that GPT-4 is a large multimodal model language. That means that unlike ChatGPT, which only accepts text as input, GPT-4 has the ability to process both images and text inputs. What's great about it that it not only understands the contents of an image, but it can reason about it. For example, they provide this example image and then ask the question, what can I make with these ingredients? And the model is not only able to understand the ingredients, but it can come up with different recipes. Now that's simply amazing. If you go to the blog post, you can see a few examples. For example, they provided this image and asked us, what is funny about this image? Describe it panel by panel, and the model was able to understand each panel and provide a description of it and even understand what's funny about it. The model has ability to understand charts, so we can give it a chart and it will be able to provide answer based on that. It's really amazing, especially if you want to use it as a tutor. Here's an example of an engineering problem, and it is able to provide a step-by-step solution. It seems to be much better at math than the current ChatGPT. You can also provide a paper and it will be able to not only summarize it, but you can ask questions regarding that paper or document that you provided. And what's the best part? It understands memes as well. As you can see, it understands the meme and what's funny here. The new GPT-4 is capable of handling over 25,000 words of text, allowing for use cases like long-form content creation, extended conversation, and document search and analysis. As you can see, here's an example that gets text from a link here, describe our Super Bowl performance, what more than made it special, and here's the output that it can read the long-form context or long-form conversation that it allows from the link here. So another thing makes GPT-4 so special. One of the most exciting features of GPT-4 is its ability to take on different personas or roles. This means that you can define a specific character or personality for the model to adopt, and it will stay within the role throughout the conversation. For example, if you are a teacher, you could program the model to respond in a Socratic style, always asking questions to help students think through the problem. Of course, with any new technology, there are some limitations and concerns. GPT-4, like previous GPT models, can suffer from hallucination or fabrication of facts. It's important to review the responses generated by the model to ensure accuracy and factuality. Also, another limitation of GPT-4 generally lacks knowledge of events that have occurred after the vast majority of its data cuts off September 2021. So it does not learn from experience, and it can sometimes make people simple reasoning errors. So it does not know events after September 2021. And also, GPT-4 outperforms ChatGPT by higher scoring percentiles among the task takers. As you can see, in Uniform Bar exam, ChatGPT got 10th position and GPT-4 is the 90th here. And also, there is Biology 31 first and 99th, GPT-4 with Vision here. And all the internal factual level category, as you can see, learning, technology, writing, history, math category, science, and all the things that other internal category here, GPT-4 is surpasses with GPT-3 here. So in this blog post here in OpenAI, there's lots of result and test here. You can go and check it out. I'll give the link in the description. That being said, GPT-4 is already being used by companies like Duolingo, Be My Eyes, and Morgan Stanley, and is powering some pretty impressive products. It's clear that GPT-4 is a major step forward in the world of AI, and it will be exciting to see how it continues to evolve in the coming years. So how can you try out GPT-4 yourself? Well, if you're a ChatGPT Plus member, you will have the access to the model. So if you have ChatGPT Plus access, you will have an interface like this, and under the default here, you can find the ChatGPT-4 here. And as you can see, GPT-4 currently has a caption of 100 messages every 4 hours. So that means 25 messages per hour here. So that's it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. So please leave a comment, and if you're watching this for the end, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching. For more AI tools and updated videos like this.